Yeah, hey, there we are. What's going on, guys? It's the Sherpa. The Sherpa's here with you, the Stock Sherpa, the Market Maven. This is the Monday game plan, and I'm the Charlie Munger of Making You Money. How's that? I just thought of that right before I started recording. Hope you love it. Happy to be here with you. Today is Sunday. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's probably Tuesday. My premium subscribers now, after growing the channel, after making you guys all the money, we're going to be 20 bucks a month. Go get my content as it comes out so you can actually move on the market while it happens. Enough about that. You notice some artwork in the background. We got the Sherpa. That's the Substack. We got the Ever Bullish. That's the website. Didn't want to give up on everybody out there that watches for free. And I understand money can be an issue, but throw it my way if you want to get this on time. And one trade will make that money for you. If you've been following me, you know that. Anyway, that's enough about me. How about today? Today's Sunday the 17th, right? Tomorrow's Monday the 18th. It's a momentum Monday. We're going to be free to trade on Monday if you like. I normally trade on Tuesdays, as you know. These are the trades you can make on Monday. Try to enter at below the opening price, obviously. You got some sector trades. I got some option trades for you guys. So let's do it, huh? Let's share it. What do? We always go to everbullish.com. We go to the game plan, right? Or in this case, it's going to be under investing articles. It's going to say this week's game plan at everbullish.com. Check out my performance numbers if you want to buy one of my market beating portfolios. It's not even funny how good they're doing this year. And all my bulls know that. 100 bucks, easy money, investing articles. And then we're going to go here to the game plan, right? We got Editas. What else do we see here? We got the first Bitcoin futures trading ahead of the brand new ProShares Bitcoin. Guess who's going to talk about that today? We got the Sofi option. We got FAS, which is the three-time bull on the financials. I just call it the big banks. We got Edit, my favorite stock in the market right now. We got ERX, and then SOXL double time. We don't see this often, right? SOXL is the one that we trade only when it's opportunistic. So check me out. We got the cover of the Wall Street Journal here. Let's take a look at the headlines. We see that we got the FDA Moderna decision. Don't care about that. We see judges and their brokers sold stocks of litigants. Yeah, okay, corrupt politicians, corrupt people that make the rules but don't follow the rules. Big surprise here. And then it's cut off up here, and it says that that retail sales are getting hit because of inflation. That's the word I got for you. No shit, Sherlock. Big surprise there. Inflation affects where's retailers. Yeah, yeah, and the sky's blue. All right. The following headline is huge. This is a huge headline, guys. Huge with a capital H, kind of like for H-Town. The first Bitcoin futures ETF in the U.S. is set to begin trading this week. Guys, true story here. If you don't want to listen to me, if you don't want to follow the trades, if you don't want to learn how to trade, and you just want to beat the market this week, no skill, just simple going with the river here. No steering against the stream. Don't fight it. BITO. We're going to call it BITO, like somebody bit your toe. BITO, real life ETF, not an ETP. That does not matter to you, and I put that on here. It's a nuance, that you could trouble yourself with if you want to. But basically, BITO, if you can buy it on Monday, you sell it on Friday, you'll make a bunch of money. If you're watching this on YouTube on Tuesday or Wednesday, you've already missed out. But you're welcome. Massive gains in BITO because ProShares has the pull to move this thing big time. You think if all those dipshits at Edward Jones and Merrill Lynch aren't calling up their customers and going, hey, I finally get paid on BIPs now if I sell this thing. Shout out Fidelity. Shout out Morgan Stanley. Shout out all you guys out there. Because I know that you're going to be pushing this on your clients, and it's a year after I've been pushing it on mine. Oh, no, that's right. I did it out of the goodness of my heart and so they could be richer. Why'd you do it? All right, absolutely still love Edit this week. Healthcare was a weak performer last week, but we still bounced. Remember, up on bad tape in a sector against the sector is a great thing. Edit's at 38. If you're holding those options I recommended last week, keep holding. If you want to buy some more, fire away. If you look down here at the RSI, remember, I put it out an RSI publication only to my stack subscribers. I'm going to make a video for YouTube maybe next week about it. But here we are. We've got some really nice things in the RSI that I'm going to talk about in that video. And you'd already know if you if you were subscribed. Volatility, I expect volatility to be down this week. We had 2 weird weeks. We had the bank's earnings last week. We had the Pelosi stuff about raising the debt ceiling. What else did we have? Oh, yeah, inflation, the inflation worries and numbers coming out. At this point, the hypothesis is that it's open season. Strap on the helmet, pick up the rifle, start shooting. The hypothesis is that the volatility will settle down, and in the last 2 weeks, it is open season on stocks. My sectors are energy. And this is supposed to say 2. I'm going to have to change that. ERX is the 2X on energy. There's not a 3 for the one that I like to gain traction on. Buy ERX this week. Trade it. Trade your ass off on it. Dip trade it. Long-term hold it. I don't really care. I'll have an option on it that I'm going to throw up there at some point on my Instagram. So follow the Instagram at everbullish.com. FAS is, like I said, the banks. That's the 3X. Go buy it. SOXL, Lead Pipe, Stone Cold, Sherpa, Lock. I believe you can bet this as though the game has already been played. And of course, what do we do when LabU is below 60? We don't overthink it. We don't question it. We buy it. We take our profits, and then we do it again. We rinse and repeat. That's how easy this is. ERX, put the chart there. Opportunity with the banks. Banks make money with accommodations. Banks make money with tightening. Banks make money with fees. Banks are brutal bastards, and they're profitable, so go buy them. Sofi is the bank that I like the most because it's also fintech, it's also DeFi, and the moratorium, alert, remember this, the moratorium on student loans is ending at the end of this year. Everybody's going to have to log back in and put their electronic funds transfer back on file. Everybody's going to have to start paying back these loans. SoFi's already accounted for this. That's an easy winner, and this is a repost. By the way, you're welcome. On that FAS last week. You look at that chart, told you to buy it at 120 and then it hit 136. It's that easy if you follow me. Okay. Bullish on crypto. The market's been acting as a hedge, improving the faults in the system. We got Bitto, number 1A. This is a repost from last week, except I added Bitto in there. Let's go buy Bitto. It's that easy. We won't be able to trade options on it for another 6 weeks or so, but just remember, Bitto is going to be the one. Still love Ethereum, still love GBTC, still love BHCG. And I love Mara. If you've been following Mara, you've been following Riot. I mean, guys, I'm spelling it out for you here. But that's the SOXL. This is the semiconductor. We've got NVIDIAs in there. We've got your AMDs in there. We've got your processors in there. The chart shows it right there. Again, don't overthink this one. Rule number 2 of investing at everbullish.com, just let it be an easy trade. Get out of the way. Let the idiots screw this up. And then LAC, again, you're welcome on this one. Lithium Americas Corporation. This is likely to be the number 1 holding of the Everbullish 2022 portfolio that's going to come out in December. You're going to buy in on January 15th. And if you buy this year's portfolio at this point throughout the year, you'll get next year's too. So go buy that too. Show some love. But yeah, Lithium America Corporation, LAC. Go to my website, everbullish.com. The website is for the free content. Comes out 2 days after I post it on the premium content, which is the Sherpa at Substack, sherpa.substack.com. And right when I get done making this, again, it's Sunday, I'm going to put this up there. And you know who you are. I love you. Thank you, Bulls. And also, you're welcome. It's been a good partnership so far, and it's only going to continue. What happens if you follow the Sherpa at the top of the mountain and you stay till the end? You get the best option trade of the week. Look at this SoFi chart. Moratorium is ending on student loans. Just earlier in the year, we were at 26. We went all the way down to 14. I know some guys out there. I'm not going to say your name, but you know who you are. Name starts with an R. You're absolutely caking in this. And I'm not against buying the warrants on this, but we're up here at 19, right? We'll just go ahead and buy the December 17th, $20 strike calls for $1.80. It's that easy. If you go to my Substack, we're going to be putting out a couple more options as well. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much. Keep showing the love. Keep showing the support. The best way to perpetuate the content here and to help you get better content more easily is to spread the word for me so I can spend my time trading and you guys can spend your time profiting. And you just tell your buddies, tell a friend, tell a stranger, tell a neighbor. It's AFG, LFG, LGR. Let's get rich.